Good morning. So today is Sunday morning and we are going to film a what we eat in a day. We are going to film a what we eat in a day. I'm with David here today. My sister is also in town, but she is out right now meeting a friend. So, fly. So I'm going to film a what we eat in a day and share that with you. For breakfast, we are having injarmi sukduk, which is, what is injarmi in? Soybean.
Brown crack.
Soybean powder mugwort rice cake.
so gross.
It's called, I guess, what you were translating. I also ate half of a sweet potato this morning. What did you try yet?
Good. Finally.
I ate half of a sweet potato this morning, but then I stopped because he came. He's gonna eat some apple slices. I might eat a few slices, but I don't know. I don't really like eating apples. And I'm gonna make coffee.
Injarmi sukduk.
This is breakfast.
It's intense version. Holy
And
moly.
it's in like perfect squares, and there's so much.
Holy.
It's gonna fit in there.
There's so much.
Whoa, lunch. We are at our favorite Hoi Ka again in Hollywood. Oh my god, I got the drunken noodle. He got the
Fui raw.
잘 먹겠습니다. I mean, but you're gonna put that on, right?
Very good. It's a little different.
Wow, gula.
I like the liquid. Oh my, what happened to the Queens of K-Town? What is
We're
this?
old, so we take this.
What?
The Hajimas get over. Literally.
More Tuesday.
Dude, you look like.
Oh, that tastes really good.
She's like.
It's like very fruity.
Just drink a little bit of it. She's really worried for me. I get hungover with one glass of wine for weeks. We have a problem. We're just
Age. Why you down there?
Yeah. His house.
Before you start. Oh, nice.
Wow, this knife is great.
Just sharpen it.
Helen spoiled us and got us Wagyu. What is it? This is like $30 for this little plate. This really melts in your mouth. Wow.
DJ is good. Yeah, it's so smooth.
Yeah, it's good. I haven't had a hot Americano in a while, but it's good. And maple syrup, and this is freshly pulled espresso.
Oh.
You want more syrup, Mom? It's like it's like coffee.
Oh, it's not.
It's just like coffee milk.
It's so good.
I like it. You like this.
I like the espresso.
Alright. Alright, well, I'm glad everyone got what they wanted. Okay, good. Alright, well,
This tastes like
thank you for visiting the cafe. Thanks. Goodbye. 잘 먹겠습니다. We are at Coco's.
Wait, hear this, hear this.
Yum. Oh, I can't eat that, but I can eat this. Oh my god.
bomb.
Oh my god. I'm basically just eating cheese.